Hello, welcome to my class. In the last class, we have discussed about the method of solving the linear equation in two variables. One of them we have discussed that the substitution method. Now, today we like to discuss another method, but one more important method that is known as the elimination method. Elimination method. See the name of the method, elimination. Elimination means to eliminate, to remove. That means main purpose of our solving the equation is what? First, remove one variable, means convert the given linear equation into variable into one variable. Two variable to be converted into one variable. For that purpose, one variable to be eliminated. First, you have to eliminate one variable. Then question is coming how to eliminate one variable. With the help of the example, one we can do. Suppose, solve this equation by this method. Suppose you are having 2x minus 3y equal to 13 and 7x minus 2y equal to 20. These equation you are having. Suppose both are in the same form. X term, y term equal to constant. X term, y term equal to constant. Both should be in the same form. Then suppose you have given this one as the number 1. It is number 2 equation. Out of these two variables x and y, you can eliminate any one. Suppose you are eliminating here x. If you want to eliminate x, then what to be done? Both the equation to be multiplied by some quantity by some number, so that both the places the value of x should be same. In this one it is simplest form, simplest method is what? Just multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of the second. If x to be eliminated, the coefficient of the x of the second, and second to be multiplied by the coefficient of first, because to get the same value, same quantity, and to do so by that one coefficient of second and coefficient of first, mainly that ratio should be, means here the equation 1 to be multiplied by 7 and equation 2 to be multiplied by 2, and that should be written in language like that one. The equation 1 is multiplied by what? Coefficient of second, that is 7, and equation 2 is multiplied by 2, first coefficient. And then you have to see, just one space I am leaving. First see, 7 to the 14, first equation is multiplied by 7 minus 21y. Multiply means what? Each and every term of the equation to be multiplied by that quantity. So it will be 14x minus 21y is equal to 730, 91. Similarly by 2, 14x minus 2 to 4y equal to 40. Then sometimes you have to add, sometimes you have to subtract. When to be done? What to be done? Fourth, you are having the same number as well as the sign. If you have the same sign, both plus 14, then and jo likha and subtract the result. Both you are having the same sign to subtract, or if you are automatically has come opposite sign, then add. Suppose plus 14 minus 14, then it will be added. So subtract means lower one sign to be changed. So plus 14 minus 14 to be removed, minus 21y plus 4y. Ultimately it will come minus 17y. 91 minus 40 you will get 51. Solve karo. 51 by minus 17 you will get minus 3. Now this minus 3 to be substituted in anywhere, 1 or 2, which one you are getting easy, that's you can do. So substitute or put y equal to minus 3 in equation, what you will write there, you have to substitute. Suppose 1 I have written, then at 1 you have to substitute. So minus 3 to be substituted, 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 equal to 13. Oh, suppose that's one. For what? Y equal to minus 3. So that means 2x you have. So 2x minus 3y, 3 into minus 3 equal to 13. Or you are getting 2x minus plus 9 equal to 13. Or 2x equal to 13 minus 9, that is 4. Or x equal to 2. So you are getting the solution are x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. In this way, here we are eliminating x, so it is known as the elimination method. Okay, that is the method. Now, various types of question we will have. Some more question to be discussed. One question, suppose xy you are having, but that is not all in the numerator. Suppose xy in the denominator. If you have the denominator number, then taking LCM simplify, then you can do. But if you have the denominator in the variables in the denominator, but denominator you are having the variables, then not that taking LCM you will do. Just one question we like to do, how to do that one, then we can do. If you have the variables in the denominator, means something by x plus something by y, like that one if you have, then what we can do? Any question you can get. Suppose you are having one question we are doing, question number 23, 5 by x minus 3 by y equal to 1 and 3 by 2x plus 2 by 3y equal to 5. So here both numerator, denominator, you are having the variable as well as the number. So first of all you have to remove the variable from the denominator. That's what. Suppose put x denominator you are having, means 1 by x equal to other than x, y, any variable you can take, suppose u, and 1 by y equal to v. We get first equation will be what? 5 by x, 5u minus 3v equal to 1. If you have given here 1, 2, here you can give the 3, 4 number like that. Are you getting this one? 1 by x equal to, you have taken u, 1 by y equal to v. So 5 by x, 5u minus 3v equal to 1. Similarly, here you are getting 3 by 2, but 1 by x means u, so 3 by 2u, but 3u by 2 plus 2 by 3v equal to 5. So see here also other types of question have so combined that one. Denominator you are having the number. The simplest way to solve this one, to make the simple form, multiply each and every term of the equation by the LCM of the denominator. See, 2, 3, 1. LCM is what? 6. If you multiply each and every term of that one by 6, so 6 into 3 by 2u plus 6 into 2 by 3v equal to 6 into 5. If you multiply this one by 6, so what it will come? Into 6. Means 2, 3, 6. So ultimately 3, 3, 9. Or once more I am writing you. 3 by 2u plus 2 by 6 into 3 by 2 by 2 by 3, 6 into 2 by 3v equal to 6 into 5. Or ultimately, so 9u plus 3 2 that means it will be 4v equal to 6 5 30. That is you have given 4. So like the previous one, instead of xy you are having uv, it is 5u, it is 9v. 9u. If you want to remove u, so first equation to be multiplied by 9 and second equation to be multiplied by 5. And you will write that one in the language. The equation 3 is multiplied by 9 and equation 4 is multiplied by 5 and subtract their result because same sign will come. So 9545u minus 9327v equal to 9, and by 5 if you multiply 45u plus 5420v equal to 53150. If we do the minus there, then it will come minus 27 minus 20, ultimately minus 47v. Or here you are getting minus will be larger. What it is coming there? Minus, it is coming minus 141. Both side minus will be removed. V equal to by 47 if you divide, I think it will be 3. So V equal to 3. And from 3 means in the place of 3 you will put that one. V equal to 1. We get 5u minus 3 into 3 is equal to 1. V equal to 3 you had. So 5u minus 9, that side it will be plus 9 means 10, or u equal to 2. But u equal to 2 and v equal to 3 is not your answer, because it is not the solution. You have to get the solution for x and y. So what is your u? U equal to, you got 2. But u means what? 1 by x. So ultimately 1 by x equal to 2. That means x equal to what it will be? 1 by 2. And v equal to, you are having 3. And v means you know 1 by y. That is 3. So ultimately y equal to 1 by 3. So your solution is x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. So in this way, up to question number 27 of this book, you will practice of this exercise 3b. 27 you will do, and with that one, some more types you are having for the elimination method only. In the next class we will discuss that one. Okay, thank you.